Well, Jacques, we're here at the Babbling Brook Park. We're going to do a little stroll through here. And, red-winged, black-winged birds right off the hop here. There's the pond, well, the brook that's babbling. They turn the brook on, it babbles for the summer, and they turn it back off for the winter.
This is a very interesting park there, Charlie, and let's go explore. Oh, I've seen that guy before.
Oh my goodness, what's that?
Charlie, there's that man. He's hiding in the trees. We keep seeing that guy everywhere on our walks. Oh, Charlie, he's looking at us. He spotted us. Charlie, there he is again.
Jacques, look at all these birdhouses.
Wow, Charlie, they're very nice. And the duck in the water. And there's that guy again. Charlie, he's posing in the trees. Charlie, I think he wants us to follow him. And then he stops and then he wants his picture taken. And then he wants us to follow him again some more. Where is he going, Charlie?
Well, Jacques, he appears to be part of a group over there. They're posing for pictures. So that's what I'm guessing what's going on here.
Charlie, I think you're right. They're waving at us over here.
Yeah, we finished off with a red-winged, black-winged bird, and we're out of here.